In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a script from your chart on Tradingview. If your chart is cluttered with indicators or a strategy you no longer need, cleaning it up is quick and easy. On Tradingview, the word scripts simply means any indicator or strategy you've added. Removing it won't delete it from your account or favorites, it only takes it off the current chart so you can focus on what matters. The fastest way is right from the chart legend. Look to the top left corner of your chart, where you'll see the list of active scripts, each with its name and color. Move your mouse over the script you want to remove. As you hover, a small X icon labeled Remove appears next to the name. Click that X, and the script disappears from your chart immediately. If you had multiple instances of the same script, remove the specific one you hovered on. And if you change your mind, use Undo in the top toolbar, or press Ctrl+Z to bring it back. Another convenient option is to remove it directly from the chart area. If the script draws lines, bands, or signals on your chart, right-click on one of its elements. In the context menu that appears, select Remove. This is handy when the legend is crowded or you are sure which on-chart object belongs to the script you want to get rid of. If the right grabs something else by accident, try again on a more obvious part of that script's drawing or use the legend method for precision. You can also manage everything from the Indicators menu, which is great when you have several scripts active. Click the Indicators button at the top of the platform to open the Indicators and Strategies window. There, look for the section that shows what's currently active on your chart. You'll see each script listed, and you can remove them one by clicking the corresponding Remove icon. This centralized view helps you confirm exactly what's running and clear multiple items without hunting around on the chart. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth: removing a strategy also removes its trade markers and performance table from the chart. Removing a script affects only the current chart layout. You can add it back anytime through the Indicators menu. And if a script seems unresponsive, make sure you are clicking the right pane: price chart versus separate indicator pane so you target the correct item. That's it. Use the legend X for speed, right-click for on-chart control, or the Indicators menu for full management. Clean chart, clearer decisions.